My name is Tristan, and I'm taking care of the Earth observation programs at Reflex Aerospace. Speaking about Earth observation means we're speaking about massive amounts of data that are produced each and every day. And so far, there have been basically two options to deal with this vast amount of data. So the one option is to brute force download all the data that you have. Typically, this comes with like high cost, because for each and every pass, for each and every download, you just need to pay the ground station provider. The other thing is the slight delays that you always have. Because a satellite passes a ground station only every like 45 minutes or something. So some drawbacks here, but you have all the data at hand on your ground computer, and you can use all the infrastructure that you have on ground to really analyze the data and to receive the analysis that are important for you or that are important for your customers. The other option was to pre-process, maybe even analyze data on board. So this technology enables you to like just simply shrink the data that you need to download. So this already saves a lot of cost, but it also comes with some drawbacks because like the onboard processing, typically onboard computers need a lot of power. They need a very good thermal management, etc., etc. So it also comes with some hurdles here. So where is it going? The future might bring some more options to the table. On the one side, constellations like Starlink that can enable permanent connectivity between your satellite and your ground station or your ground computer, enabling you to have like time-critical analysis basically the entire time. Another option would be, for instance, laser communication. You don't have no problems with like regulatory affairs with like radio frequency applications or frequency applications. This saves a lot of time before a project or before a mission, but then also during the mission, you can download enormous amounts of data with just one beam. It's very secure just by physical parameter, and it's very quick. This is really good if you need a lot of data on the ground. Third option is definitely the advancements in AI and computing hardware for space applications. With, let's say, machine learning, artificial intelligence algorithms, you will be able to really analyze data that is in space, on orbit already, to only download the very specific data that you need on ground. So you can basically throw away 99% of the image and just download the one thing that is interesting to you. So, but which solution will be the best for you? None of them? All of them? Both? Most probably. As in any case, so it's very likely that the future will show that a combination of different tools will be the most suitable way to deal with it. That means combining either or three or two of these options to have the best solution for a specific task in a specific moment. And if you're interested in like discussing potential solutions for like space data management, for data transfer, this is important to you, then please reach out to Reflex Aerospace.